Right people, auction's over. Fit my new link rod. I want to see if I can do it without getting a bloody jack out. I don't say as I can. Unlock a van. Put it down there and we'll wander and find out. I reckon. Right. It's broken off there. It's up against the strut. Right. And it's bolted there. So, if you can just about see it. It's just there. So I reckon I can, if I turn the steering over, I reckon I can do it without struggling to get the trolley jack out of the shed. Right. Pause you there whilst I get the spanners. How am I supposed to find anything in there? I got all this solar lead. I don't really need it, but it's in the van. I've got rubbish. Got the Clarkson tool. Right, I need that. And I think they're I need that. And I think that's the right end on there now. Let's have a look anymore. Right. 3/4. 19. Remind me to bring my glasses with me. Yep, they're 3/4. Oh, they might even be 18s. Yeah, I'd say that was 18s. Oh, I ain't got my glasses with me. I'll take a socket and try a socket on there. Yep, they're 18s. So I hope the new ones are 19s. And you watch, it'll be the only one that's missing. What we got there? 20. So 19's missing. Woohoo! Well, well, Gagger's trying to see if he can do it without taking the wheels off. And the bloody 18s.
Well, fine, isn't it?
Odd ball.
Probably 17 or 17
or 19. Right. Yep. Wheel had to come off. And they were new under 6 months ago. A fair amount of wear on the inside of them. Still spinny okay. Oh, plenty of pads on there. They're all new. Well, I've got to try and get you there somehow so you can see. No, you ain't going to stay there either, are you? Still down the shed, are you? Still down the shed somewhere.
Oh, you can put that back in there.
Right. If in doubt, give it a clout.
You know WD either?
Yeah, where have I put that? In this door pocket, is it?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Oh.
No, that's nice. You might better off like the extension anyway.
I can't get my hands in there. I could if I turned the steering wheel over the other way, couldn't I?
Yeah.
Bring him round this way.
Yeah.
And I'll start him up again.
Well, they're starting. I remember.
Yeah, well.
Oh, you should turn.
Because of the, there's only one wheel on, yeah, there's only one wheel on the floor.
Oh!
Yeah, there's only one wheel on the floor now.
They're back in the box, please. Bring a got one.
I can't go the other way, can I? I got them to fit 3/8 to go up to that size. Got him! Oh.
Just, I see the bar twist, I see you got your fingers.
This is where the shaft starts spinning now. I had it turned, yeah, he's spinning. It just started. I bet I can't even find my mold grips now. No, they're not there. Shut up. Oh, camera. Ain't watching anyway. There you go. Spinning. Can I get in there?
One minute. Don't get taking them off.
Oh, you fucking just struggled to get that done up. Oh, got him.
Come back.
Oh, I don't know. I was just trying to think what I did with me. Whack. It's Tyler's fault.
Oh, back there with his finger. Oh.
Didn't break my nail though.
Oh, yes.
Yes. No, it's spinning again, isn't it? How easy was that? Look at it. halfway through the bolt. You can see where I've stripped all the threads off there by holding it with the mole grips. But it's that end now. That's going to be the hardest end, the one that's on the chassis. I'll do all this and find out I've got the wrong one then anyway. I did go right through it though. I don't know whether you can see it. Alright. Now I've got to do one on the bottom, which is on the anti-roll bar, which is going to put up a fight all the way. And this is where it snaps my ratchet. Right. Yep, okay. It's lifting that anti-roll bar up. Oh, got him! Did I? Oh, he spin it instantly. Great. Let's see if the mole grips will hold him. Oh, he's holding him so far. Yeah. One word of advice: once you start them going, don't stop, because if you stop, you'll get in them hot, and if you stop, they have that little chance to cool down slightly, and they'll grip like hell. Yeah, nearly at the end. Feeling easy. Yep, it's there. Oh. Ease off. Mission accomplished on that one. You know, they'd save a lot of hassle, a lot of grief, a lot of pain. They started putting bloody grease nipples back on the damn things. Right now, take me 10 minutes to get into the balding bag. One spanky brand new one. Right. There's the first thing. They're 19th. Why do they keep fucking chopping and changing? In that side. For a moment I thought I'd got the wrong one. Get on there. Got one. The suspension's down on the other side. I'm going to try and prise it down to in order to get it on this end. Oh, where is it? There it goes, nearly. There it goes. And that's on this side. Close enough, isn't it? Let's try and find a 19mm socket now, and that's the one that's bloody missing. tight enough. Bar down the torsion bar between the anti-roll bar. If I can find the tab for it. There you go. There you go. Nice new in there. Oh, nice new in there. I've already had new struts. Alright. That's that one done and that one done. New wheel bearing, new discs, new pads, new strut, new arm. Bloody roads around this fucking dump. Sooner the good weather comes and I can get out of the damn place. I'm just expecting one of them to break. Roll on, summer. Well, it's just starting to do the rain, but how many of you have this trouble? Right. You're going to try and get him on your lugs. Alright, so you're going to try and get it through it all. You've either got to lift a bloody great heavy wheel on a van, right, or get a bar. Put the bar under the wheel, if I can set it as though I can show you. Alright. It's still there, right? Lift it with a bar. Right. If you lift it up, you're levering. Where's no? I can't see it. There it is. There's one on. There's the others. Look at that. Ready? One nut on. Right up as tight as you can. Then turn the wheel right. And it'll fold back on. Alright. It'll fall back on then. Right. I think you've all seen people do wheel nuts up before. So, hold fire for the next one. Right. You just watch me change that arm. And it is all done with the aid of my grinder, my extension lead, and my inverter. If I hadn't got that out here, I would have either had to move the van down to the house, block the road a bit, or borrowed extension leads. That one only comes so far across the road. How easy was that?